Yes, so we'll be taking illustration number 13. On 31st March 2021, a club had subscription in arrears of 28,000 and in advance rupees 4,000. So what was there? They had subscription in arrears, that is outstanding subscription. Okay. So on 31st March 2021, so 31st March 2021, we had outstanding outstanding subscription 28,000 and in advance. So on same date we have in advance 4,000. During the year ended 31st March 2022, 31st March 2022, club received subscription of 2,08,000. So amount of subscription which we have received is 2,12,000, of which 12,500 was related to 22-23. So 22-23, 12,500. Okay. So this 28,000 which is outstanding, that we have received. On 31st March 2021, there are 5 members who have not paid. So 31st March 2021, outstanding subscription. Not paid means outstanding subscription, and there are 1,600 into 5. Okay. So I have noted down entire question. Now what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to go for subscription account. Okay, this is subscription account. So yesterday what we saw income and expenditure account, how to prepare income and expenditure account, how to prepare balance sheet, receipts and payment. There was subscription, mention of subscription also. So what is, how to go for subscription? So subscription is very easy. See, subscription received during the year. Okay, then you have add outstanding subscription. Okay, add outstanding subscription for current year. Then add subscription received in advance for current last year. Okay, now you have to subtract less outstanding subscription for last year. Same way you have to subtract subscription in advance for current year. Okay, so if I last year, current year, current year. Okay, so this way we are supposed to do. If I follow this, how I have, what I have subscription, so which is my current year, 21, 22 is my current year. So whatever amount I have received, let me note down that amount. Okay, whatever amount I have received, let me note down that amount on the credit side. So by subscription received, I have noted down on my credit side. So this part I have completed. Okay, now I have next outstanding subscription. What I'm supposed to do to outstanding subscription? I'm supposed to add, that is I have not received yet. Okay, so to balance brought down, that is outstanding. Okay, 28,000. Out of this 28,000, I have received 12,500. Okay. Sorry. No, that is not out of this. That is my advance. Okay. So let me finish outstanding first. So I completed outstanding here. I have one more outstanding, 8,000 rupees. Okay. So this outstanding will come here by balance carried down, 1,600 into 5. So both outstanding I have completed. Okay, both the outstanding, opening outstanding and closing outstanding, both the outstanding I completed. This is 2022. Now I'll go for advance. So advance will be on credit side. That's advance income is my liability. So I'll show it in credit side. Subscription received in advance. So that is 12,500 here, and no, sorry, 12,500 is my closing, 4,000 is my opening. To subscription received in advance. Okay, so this is subscription received in advance, balance brought down, and this will be balance carried down. It is 4,000. I hope it is clear. Sorry, it is 12,500. Now what I'm supposed to do, I'm supposed to balance it off. I've completed all figures. I've noted down everything. 2,20,000. So 2,20,000 minus 28,000 minus 12,500, I'll get 1,79,500. This amount I'll take to income and expenditure account. This is my BAL fig. Okay. So what I did here, I went for, so I have two things. Say I have advance and I have outstanding. Your subscription format will have two things, advance and outstanding. Advance is always our liability. Okay, advance is always our liability. So liability will have credit balance. So what I did, I took my opening balance of advance. With the help of dates, I came to know this is 2021, this is 2022, this is again advance. Okay, so this is my closing balance, this is my opening balance. So what I did, I noted down my opening balance on the credit side because advance has credit balance, and closing balance I noted down on my debit side. So that advance is done. Same way I noted down my outstanding. What is outstanding? Outstanding has debit balance. That is my income. I have given services, but instead of that, I have not received. So that's my income, receivable, asset. So I'll be showing on the debit side opening balance, closing balance on the credit side. I have total amount of subscription also, to which I'm supposed to make adjustment. That is 2,08,000. 2,08,000 is my base figure, and to this base figure I'm supposed to make adjustments. Okay, so I did that. I totaled up and I got answer as 1,79,500. This is my balancing figure. This figure I'll take it to income and expenditure account. I hope you are comfortable. Let us go for next question. Question number 14. What we are supposed to do here for question number 14? We are supposed to answer them subscription account. What we are supposed to do? We are supposed to answer subscription account. Okay. So how to prepare subscription account? Let me take subscription account. Let me go through the question. City Sports Club of Surat had received in 21-22 rupees 50,000 towards subscription. So City Sports Club, what they did, they received 50,000 towards subscription. So 21-22, 21-22, they received 50,000. Then what they have done is, they have received a subscription for 2020 and 21 unpaid on 1st April 2021 were 5,000. So as on 2020 to 21 we have outstanding amount of 5,000. Subscription paid in advance on 31st March 2021. So 31st March 2021 we have subscription paid in advance. Subscription paid in advance, we have 1,250, and for 31st March 2022, again we have subscription in advance 1000 rupees. Subscription for 21-22 unpaid on 31st March 22. Unpaid subscription, that is outstanding, date is 31st March 2022. Outstanding subscription 2250. Show statement showing the amount of subscription that would appear in income and expenditure account. Okay, so this is my amount, right? This is my entire question. I have summarized entire question. Now how to start? I have one amount column. I have the basic amount, that is subscription received during the year. Okay, that is 50,000. Okay, 50,000. To this, what I am supposed to do? To this, I am supposed to add my subscription, which is outstanding as on current year, that is 31st March 2022. Okay, so outstanding subscription for 31st March 2022 is 2250. So I have completed this one, last line. Now I have subscription received in advance. Okay, now what I'll do is subtract. Subscription received, outstanding one more is left, so let me finish this outstanding also. I'm supposed to subtract subscription received, subscription outstanding as on 31st March 2021, that is 5,000. Then we have subscription received in advance. Okay, subscription received in advance. So we have current year subscription. Current year subscription 1000 rupees is received in advance. So that also I'm supposed to deduct, right? Subscription received in advance. So why I'm supposed to deduct that? That is not my income. I have received in advance. So right now I cannot consider that as my income. So received in advance, current year subscription received in advance, I am subtracting. Current year outstanding, that is my income, I have not received, so add that. Last year subscription I must have added, so this year I'll have to subtract. So everything comes with a logic. Now I've completed these two. No, I've completed advance. I have completed outstanding. I have completed outstanding, last year outstanding also. Subscription paid in advance 1250. Subscription paid in advance, so that is last year subscription. Last year I must have deducted, so this year I am supposed to add subscription received in advance, received advance as on 31st March 2021, 1250. So we have 47,500. Okay. I hope you are comfortable with this sum. Let me take next question. Sum number 15. Okay, in this question we are supposed to prepare receipts and payment. So what is receipts and payment? Receipts and payment is nothing but it's like a cash book we studied in our last lecture. It's a carbon copy of cash book wherein all the years data will be coming. So here in this question they have given us income and expenditure, and from income and expenditure we are supposed to prepare our receipts and payment. Okay. So how to go for income and receipts and payment? Receipts and payment is very simple, easy. Let us read the question. Following is the income and expenditure account of GB Club for the year ended 31st March 22. Income and expenditure account of GB Club for the year ended 31st March 22. So we have salaries, we have rent, we have subscription, donation. On the income side, printing, insurance, they have given us list of expenses. Then they have given us additional information, subscription in arrears, advance subscription, outstanding expenses, rent, salaries, audit fees, sports equipment less depreciation, furniture less depreciation, book value of the furniture sold is rupees 7,000. So they have given us value, sale value of furniture as 7,000. Entrance fees capitalized rupees 4,000. On 1st April 2021, there was no cash in hand, but a bank overdraft was rupees 15,000. On 31st March 22, cash in hand amounted to rupees 850 and the rest was bank balance. So they have given us entire summary of income and expenditure account. We have to convert income and expenditure to our normal receipts and payment. So first they have given me details of subscription. Let me go for subscription, preparation of subscription. So first will be subscription as per income and expenditure. So you go here and take your income and expenditure figure. It is 68,000. Okay, 68,000. After that, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to follow this question. So you have subscription received in advance. So subscription received in advance. If it is income and expenditure, you subtract. In receipts and payments, you sorry, income and expenditure, outstanding subscription for current year. If it is income and expenditure, you add. Here what you will do, here you will subtract. So outstanding subscription, here you work reverse. Outstanding subscription for current year. Okay, so current year subscription 3,700. Then you have outstanding subscription for last year. Okay, so you'll have to add outstanding subscription for last year, that is 2,600, that you'll have to add. Then you have subscription received in advance, 1,000 and 1,500. So subscription received in advance. So last year subscription received in advance, last year subscription received in advance, you have to add. I'm working reverse here. I'm working reverse. Subscription received in advance. Subscription received in advance, you have to add. This is current year subscription. Less subscription received for last year, 1,500, 1,000. You have to subtract. Okay. So this much done. Now we don't have anything else. Done. I have completed. Yes. Because it is receipts and payment. If I'm supposed to prepare income and expenditure, I will work straight. If it is receipts and payment, I'll have to reverse. So I got 67,400 as my answer here. Okay, 67,400 as answer. Now what I'll do is I've completed adjustments related to subscription. Now I'll go for next. Next is related to my sports equipment account. So what is sports equipment account? Sports equipment account also they must have given income and expenditure account details they have given. They have given 6,000. Under income and expenditure account they have given me 6,000 sports equipment. Here they have purchased 6,000 sports equipment. So let me note down 6,000. So why I have one common question coming up. So why I'm taking sports equipment? Because now next one is outstanding rent, outstanding salary, outstanding audit fees. That entire three figures I have to add in my, I have to adjust in my receipts and payment only. Then comes sports equipment less depreciation. That's why I am going for next working note, that is sports equipment. So sports equipment, first figure I'll take from income and expenditure account. Okay, I'll take from income and expenditure account, and that is 6,000. Okay, that is 6,000 by income and expenditure. They have mentioned that they have purchased it. That's why I am noting it down. Then I have opening balance brought down, that is given in the adjustment 25,000. I have closing balance also by balance carried down, so that is 28,000, that is 24,000, sorry, 24,000. This also I have taken from the question. Now 24,000 done, less depreciation. Now what next they have given? We are supposed to find out balancing figure. We are done with the posting. Now we are supposed to find out balancing figure. We'll get our answer. So if I go for balancing figure, this is 30,000. 30,000. Here I'll get 5,000. This 5,000 I'm supposed to show in my receipts and payment account. This is what? This is Valfig. Okay, this is Valfig. Okay, so completed this one. Now I'll go for next one is, if you check the question again, you have furniture less depreciation. So opening and closing balance of furniture is given to you. So what you'll do, you'll come to next working note, you'll note down your opening and closing balance. Okay, you'll note down your opening and closing balance. To balance brought down, opening and closing balance is 30,000, and here you have by balance carried down, it is 27,900. Okay, so I noted down opening balance and I noted down closing balance. Now what is next? They have given me under income and expenditure account, they have given me depreciation on furniture. Okay, they have given me depreciation on furniture. So let me note down that depreciation on furniture, that is 3,100. Then they have given me loss on sale of furniture also 2,500. So I'll have to note down. So here they have noted down expenditure side, no, on the debit side. So in my working, I'll note down on the credit side, because for receipts and payment I work opposite. So I'll note down by depreciation and by loss on sale of furniture. So by depreciation and by loss on sale of furniture, 3,100. Then I have uh, anything else I have? Entrance fees is capitalized. Book value of furniture sold is 7,000. In April there was no cash. So they have mentioned book value of furniture as 7,000. The selling price of furniture is 7,000. So out of 7,000, if I remove my depreciation, I'll remove my depreciation and I'll get 1,400. I'll remove my loss, 7,000 minus loss on sale of furniture. So 4,500 I'm getting. Receipts and payment. I'll just total it up. I have 8,000. 8,000 is my two receipts and payment account. This is my balfit. I have removed my loss. If it is profit, I'll add profit. So selling price is 7,000. From there I removed loss. They have given me loss no in income and expenditure account. So I've removed that loss to get actual figure at what price they have made a sale. So now my step is nothing but I just have to post here in my receipts and payment account. From income and expenditure and from my working notes I'm supposed to post. So subscription, see first one is subscription. So this is my receipts, right? This is my receipts. So I'll take receipts here and I'll take payments here. Okay, I just have to post. If I go for subscription, then to subscription from where I'll take from my working note. I've prepared working note, no? So subscription I'll take from working note. This way I'm supposed to do. Okay, then I have donations. Yes. Then I'll go for donations. Two donations. So donations is 5,000. Same way, everything from question I'm supposed to post. Okay, in my receipts, and suppose here I have printing and stationery. I just have to check whether I have anything related to working note. Matlab, any item related to working note. Accordingly, I'll adjust here. So here, if you go through the question, you have subscription written off 350 rupees. That was not there in your adjustment. So if I note it down here, less subscription written off minus 350, I'll get 67,075. Okay. So instead of 67,000, I'm supposed to take 67,050. This way you are supposed to go for your posting. Then this part is done, income part is done. Okay, I have completed income part. Now I'll take expense part. So two salaries. I'll note down two salaries. So here it will be by salaries. Okay, let me check. 19,500. Any adjustment? Yes, I have adjustment related to salary. So that adjustment I'm supposed to take care here. So 19,500. Now here outstanding salary of last year I'm supposed to add. Remember we are doing receipts and payment. We have to work reverse. Outstanding salary of last year. Last year we have to add. That is 1,200 and outstanding salary of current year we have to add, that is 350. Outstanding salary of current year is 350, correct? So this way you have to complete your sum. So I'll prepare two columns. One column I can go for calculation, and in other column I can show the final amount. This way I can do. So this much you have to do for your receipts and payment account, preparation of receipts and payment account. I hope you are comfortable with this sum.